In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install this refrigerator. Pull up this trunk cover. Then install this cabinet from the kit. Put this cabinet to the left storage area. Be noticed about this side should be installed inside. Put it in. Grab this part. This is a cigarette lighter. This is a cigarette lighter hole here in the car. Connect to it. Take off this refrigerator door. Push it in. Snap the fridge in. Make sure you have aligned the two screw holes. This is the screws from the kit. A cross screwdriver, 2 M4 screws, and 4 cubic meters screws. These 2 M4 screws is for fixing the two parts of the refrigerator. Make sure it's fixed tightly. Put 4 M3 screws in this door hinge. Match the holes and fixed it. It looks like this when fixed the door hinge. Close the door. The installation is finished. Put down the cover. Open the refrigerator door. This is the refrigerator compartment. Press the power button for 3 seconds to start the fridge. Then you can enjoy your trip with the refrigerator.